Hello everyone. Today I am here with another video. So today we are going to learn how to create query, form and report in MS Access. So let us start. Okay. When we open MS Access, this screen will be visible in front of us. Users simply click on blank database. A window will be open. So it will ask about your database name. So give it the name. For example, I am giving here MS Access. After giving the name, you simply click on create button. So this message will be appeared. Do you want to replace the existing file? No. So it means another file already exists in MS Access library with this name. So we can use another name, MS Access 1, and then create. Okay. Now this screen will be visible. This is menu bar, this is toolbar, and this is left navigation pane. Okay, so whatever table we will make, that table will show here in left navigation pane. So let us start. First we select the table and go to view option and choose design view. Ask about the table name. So I am giving here student info, then okay. After the name, two columns are visible in front of us. One is field name and second one is data type. In the field name column, we have to write down our field name. So how many field we want in our table? You give the name and declare their data types. So data type means which type of data you have to enter in particular field. So for example, my first field is serial number, and when we click on the data type row column, and drop down menu will be appear and choose the appropriate data type. Second, I'm giving here name and choose short data. After that, class, choose number, and after that section and choose short text. Okay, so now our field is ready. So after that, the next process is how to enter the information related to field. So we just simply right click on the tab and save the table and double click on the table. Okay, so this screen will be visible. So you put it here information. So for example, serial number 1, name Anil, class 8th, section B. The second one, 2, name Sunil, class 8th, section C. Third one is name Sajan, 8th E. And fourth entry is Avi. Okay, class 8th and section B. Okay, our information is ready. After that, you will go to the tab, right click on it and save it. So your one table is ready. For the query, you need at least two tables. So we have to create one more table. For the another table, you will go to the create menu and then click on table. Second table will be visible. You simply select the table with the single click, view option, design view, and give the name. For example, I am giving here personal info, then OK. Select. For the query in both the table, always remember one field will be same, okay, and the information of particular field also same. So our first field is serial number, personal info, city, short text, state, short text, and after that mobile, and choose the data type number. And one important thing was, do not use space bar in during the field name. When you go to the write down the name of your field, do not use space bar, because space it will not accept. Clear? So same process you follow. Save the table and then double click and give the detail. Pilani, state Rajasthan, mobile number 123456, for example. Second one, Bhiwani, state Haryana, and 789456, mobile number. Third one, Patna, state name Bihar, and this is the mobile number. And fourth information is Gorakhpur and UP, and then give the mobile number. Okay, after that save. Okay, so both the table is ready with information. Clear, student? I hope you understand how to create a table and how to fill the information. So next is how to create a query. So before starting a query, first we understand what is query. So a query is a database object which extracts information from one or more table on some specified criteria. In a simple language, you can establish the relationship between two tables. Why? To get a common piece of information. Okay, that's why we are using query. So how to create a query? Go to the create option and query design. You simply click on it. Okay, this wizard will be open. In this wizard, both the table will be visible in this window. You can add both the table and then close it. So one field is common both the table, so you simply click on it and drag it with another same field name. So it means your both the table is connected. So after that, in the bottom navigation pane, you just check out your bottom of the screen. There is a drop down icon is visible. You just simply click on it. In this column, all the fields are visible from the both the table. So how many field you want from both the table? So I need serial number from the first table. After that, you click on second column, name from the first table, class from the first table, and section from the first table. Actually, we are taking all the field from both the table, and then city from the second table, and state from the second table, and after that mobile from the second table. You can also adjust the field name, numbering the field name according to your choice. When you select first, the field name already appear in your order. Okay, simply go to the tab menu, right click on it and save it. So it will ask about your query name. For example, I am giving here common info. Okay, and then press the OK button. So you just check out common info. Our third table will be appear in left navigation pane. You simply double click on it, so all the information will be visible. So here in this table, serial number, name, class and section from the first table, and city, state and mobile from the second table. Okay, so I hope you understand how to establish the link, how to establish the relationship between two tables to get a common piece of information. Okay, so now we will go for form. Okay, before going for a form, first we understand what is form. So a form is a database object that you can use to create a user interface for a database application to collect information from users. So how to create? Simply go to the create option and from form wizard. Okay, click on it. A new wizard will be open in front of you. There is two options. First is table and query. How many tables you made it earlier? In this section it will show all the tables. So now we have three tables. First is personal info, student info and common info. Clear? So we can choose one of them for the creating a form. So for example, we can choose here common info. In this second section, how many fields are available in this particular table? So it will show here all the field name. So in this table there is 7 fields are available: serial number, name, class, section, city, state and mobile. Through the add or remove button, you can add or remove the field name. So you can add and you can remove also, and you can, through this button you can add all the column, all the field name with single click. Okay, and you can remove the field with single click. Clear? So I need here all the field, so I'm taking all the field. Next. Okay, so it will ask about the layout of your form. What layout would you like for your form? Columnar, tabular, datasheet, and justified. So I'm choosing here columnar. Next. So here it will ask about your form name. So I'm giving here form and then finish. Okay, your form will be appear. So this form will be visible. So this form is Anil form. Okay, so Anil's serial number is 1, class is 8th, section is B, and city Pilani, state Rajasthan, and mobile number of Anil is 123456. So you just check out the bottom side of your screen, a bar will be visible in front of us. So we can use next record. We will see the next record with a single click. Okay, for example, this one, second record will be visible, third record will be visible, fourth record will be visible. Okay, and if I want to check the previous record, we can go through this button. Previous record will be visible. Clear? From the search option, you can directly open the particular form. Okay, for example, you want open Sajan form. So I just write down here Sajan. The form will be visible in front of you. Okay, the name of the student is Sajan, his serial number 3, class 8th, section E, city Patna, state Bihar, and mobile number 456123. Okay, so through this bar, search bar, you can search directly the form. Okay, so I hope you understand how to create a form. So now we go for the report. So first we understand what is report. So reports offers a way to view, format, and summarize the information in your Microsoft Access database. Clear? So for creating a report, we will go in create option and then simply choose report wizard. Same window will be appear in front of us. First we choose our table for the report. So for example, I'm choosing here common info and add all the field name we want. Click on next. Okay, so after that you click on next. Second one, if you want to use all the field name in ascending or descending order, you can use here. Okay, because when you click on drop down icon, your all the fields name will be appear in front of us and you can choose according to your order. Okay, so after that you click on next button. Choose here in this section layout and orientation of page. So for example, I'm choosing here tabular layout and portrait orientation. Okay, and click on next. So it will ask about the report name. So I'm giving here report and then click on finish button. So now your report will be visible in front of you and you can easily take a printout of this database. Right click on it and choose print. Okay, and otherwise there is direct option in print preview. You just single click here on the print option and the print property will be open in front of. Clear? So I hope you understand how to create a query, form and report and how to create a table. Clear all of you? I hope you understand. So thank you so much.